Hey everybody, glad to see you back here for another episode of Rearview Mirror. Always happy to have you. You know who else was happy this weekend? 2 Austins and a happy Harvick. But first, in the Gander Outdoors Truck Series, Austin Hill conquered the green hills of Michigan in spectacular fashion, and well, the hills were alive with the sound of excitement.
Austin Hill, from worst to first, last place last week, the winner today in Michigan.
Oh my God, thank you boys, thank you.
Woohoo indeed! But before celebrations could abound, there were several race mishaps, including a mess on pit road.
He's trying to turn it into his pit. Johnny coming out of his pit, Ross coming out of his pit. Just catastrophe here.
Oh, that's just unfortunate. I mean, it's one thing to wreck on the track, it's another to get tangled up during a pit stop. And they're off. It's a restart that, oh no, Tyler Ankrum. It's the big one.
Oh, and Ankrum gets a big shove, and it's going to bring out a big caution and a big accident. Gilliland is involved, Sauter involved, Alfredo in the mix as well. The 20 is Spencer Boyd, and this is going to be a big cleanup.
Oh man, that sucks. Matt Crafton just won a little push and it turned into a disaster. Triumphant winner Austin Hill made a mountain out of a molehill and became the first Austin to win this weekend. Who's feeling the best of them all? Austin Cindric, of course, who went double or nothing in the Xfinity Series and took home his second win in just 2 weeks to the bank. Drivers geared up for a short and sweet run at the Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course that proved who wanted it more. There were early spins, a brisk stage win for Chase Briscoe, and yet another spin, this time with the 68.
It's also tight right here between Christopher Bell and Austin Cindric. Oh!
68 of Brandon Brown has spun.
See if he can keep it. Don't get dug in.
Go, Brandon. Slow, slow, slow. Yep.
Oh, that's beached.
Oh, look at all that dirt. This course, man, definitely caught some drivers in a rut. Get it? Because the car is stuck? No. All right, well, that's fine. I got plenty more jokes. And, oh no, we got more wrecks.
Oh, around goes Justin Allgaier. Gets clipped just a little bit, and now spun is Noah Gregson.
Oh, no, no. And Scott Hecker ran into him.
This is way more spins than I can handle. Cindric, on the other hand, was perfectly fine as he took his first win at his home track. Wow, that's quite the feat for a young driver. Meanwhile, in the world of the Cuppers, something was amiss. Yes, the feud between Jimmy Johnson and young Ryan Blaney had continued to flourish despite that little post-race talk, until Blaney took some beers in friendship and finally smoothed everything out. Always warms my heart seeing friends work it out. Martin Truex Jr., on the other hand, was just chilling in his tux. Looking dapper, Martin. Looking very dapper on your 500th Cup Series start. But could a sleek look bring good fortune in the Midwest? Well, maybe. The day started off with disappointment for the champ, who got loose into the wall and got a flat tire as a result. That was a rough start, all right. But he wasn't the only one with bad luck. Brad Keselowski gets loose and proves why he's a master of his craft.
Right rear tire is flat. Look at this save. He's got the wheel to the right, chase up the racetrack, now to the left. It's really great job of driving this car.
Ooh, looks like we got a shootout for the stage win. Here we go, and oh no! Austin Dillon, Daniel Hemrick, Eric Almirola. Dang, the 10 looks beat.
The 10 of Eric Almirola hard into the wall as well. Daniel Hemrick had some contact there.
Not sure what happened there.
Well, here's another restart. Maybe it'll be different this time. All good so far. There's a battle at the front, and oh no, Clint Boyer, down goes the 14.
Just a good finish would have given him a huge buffer to Jimmy Johnson.
Looks like he's trailing something, and that is not an easy fix. In the end, nobody could stop the closer, Kevin Harvick. After a slow start to the season, he's finally getting into his old race-winning habits, and Keelan is getting the second best seat in the house.
Remember the floorboard time.
Yeah, remind him.
Put your ears in the floorboard tire.
There's some hot parts to this race car.
And don't tell Mom. Hopefully she's not watching.
But now he still has enough fuel that he can do a burnout with Keelan.
That's it for Rearview Mirror. Check back in next week when the drivers go for a race under the bright lights of Bristol.